How to buy WordPress themes on Envato Market. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to buy WordPress themes on Envato. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts and special promos if you're going to purchase themes right here or WordPress themes on Envato. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So to download WordPress themes right here on Envato, all you have to do is go at the top right here, go to web, and then there will be a section right here that says all WordPress. Go to themes, and then here are the WordPress themes that you can buy. So yeah, so they have a lot of WordPress themes right here, so feel free to explore. So as an example, I'll choose this theme right here, Prisma. I'll just simply click on it, and then there you go. And then to buy it, just simply click on subscribe to download. And then afterwards, it will now just ask you for your payment details. And then there you go. Once you're done, you can now access and use your theme on WordPress. And then you're pretty much done. So yeah, again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to purchase themes right here on Envato. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.